What's up, YouTube? Today we had Chickie the Beats. Yeah, Chickie the Beats. Yeah, that's what's called, right? Chickie the Beats, right? Yeah, today we had Chickie the Beats, and this is like kind of like my first mukbang. I know you can hear me despite the music in the background, so and plus I'll just stick to the editing like an hour, but yeah, my first mukbang. But I'm in. Move that water back over for y'all. Bam, let's go. There you go. You try hot. Look at my man Dave Nasty and stuff. But today I got the spicy. You was holy as shit.
Watch your profanity.
Today I got the crab meat nachos, chicken beats. Use a meal. I don't know about these joints doing good shit.
You ain't know about whatever.
So, he got
chicken.
The buffalo chicken nachos. And pretty much today, I got nothing to talk about. I just wanted to do this because I was here, and I don't go out often, so I was like, this is the most that's gonna get out of me. So, yeah. You don't like those onions?
Celery.
You don't like celery? Why don't you like celery?
That's what horses eat. You a horse. That's what horses eat. You a horse.
Horses eat carrots, celery. Oh, you don't eat carrot?
Fried carrots sometimes.
She give me what I want.
Fried carrots?
It's steamed carrots.
You eat fried carrots? Fried carrots.
Watch your profanity. Right.
Excuse my family. I got that clip in there. And I got that clip in there. Don't correct me. This is my YouTube. You don't correct me on this.
You dumb as shit.
Shut up.
Watch your profanity.
Watch your profanity. It's gonna give me red lighting. Red. I forgot what's. You give me egg restricted. I don't want to get egg restricted, okay? My viewers see any age to watch this. But, yeah. You ever heard of fried carrots or steamed carrots? Because that's different. Can I look in peace? Let's talk about this upcoming NBA season. So you rocking with, that's what I've been meaning to ask you. So you still go OKC this year?
Yeah.
Where about the Westbrook leave?
I'm out. Never OKC.
Wait. So Russell stay.
He ain't requested a trade.
I know you did. As I said, if he leave, what you do?
I'm right with him.
So where he go, you go.
Mm-hmm.
Wasn't your Cooper film before?
Mm-hmm.
Why was that?
Why?
Yeah.
I thought he used to like kick ball.
I don't know why you being ready to look to Westbrook.
How am I being with Westbrook? I've been with Westbrook since he came to the league. Since he was on UCLA.
You gotta sit with this ball. Okay, cool.
I like him since he was at UCLA when he was a shooting guard. You don't know nothing about that.
Oh, yo, fuck Russel Westbrook.
Watch your profanity. Right.
Excuse my language. Do we get some refills?
I don't know.
Huh?
Keep it on.
Alright. So, how about this?
My man PG, he had Clippers, so I like Clippers too.
You got Clippers?
Yeah.
Wait, so did you ever stop liking Clippers? Or?
You guys still doing okay?
Yes.
Shout out to her for not making eye contact with the camera at all, because she tried so hard.
She looking weird, dude. She be cracked. She be cracked. But yeah. So, let's say, hold this. What's your most hated team? Like a team you would never be fan of?
We'll see.
So if you go to one team.
She give me what I want.
he go to Golden
Come
State.
on. Why you think I don't mess with KD no more?
I don't think nobody. I don't think nobody mess with KD. I don't think nobody period at all. Because he's just KD.
KD is my favorite player.
But why don't you mess with Golden State though? I don't mess with Golden State because of KD. That's why I mess with Golden State.
I don't mess with Golden State because
I was cool with Golden State before because
everybody's a Golden State fan now. But they knew nothing about him before.
Girls.
A lot of niggas.
Why can't you watch him off one more time?
Yeah, personally. I'm here for my mom.
They don't mean nothing.
Damn, Blake. You might as well just stop the video.
No, because now I'm going to go. Like 8 different times I got put in watch Kennedy like 20 times because of you. But so who you got winning the playoffs?
I don't know. The finals?
Finals, yeah, finals.
I don't know.
How about who you got coming out east? I got Sixers. They got the best defensive team in the Sixers in the East. Who's gonna beat them? Brooklyn Nets, Giannis, Detroit Pistons.
Not Giannis.
Giannis?
Yeah. Giannis need like 1 or 2 more pieces.
They don't got it, yo. They got Al Horford and B on the same team there.
Yeah, that's different. Man, no.
Al Horford and Giannis on the same team? That's hot. I'm red. They're like, hey, who's gonna beat them? And I put my money on it right now. The Simmons this summer, come in the league, you can have a shot.
Thunder?
No, Ben Simmons is gonna have a shot. That season he's gonna have a shot.
Hi guys, everything good so far?
Yeah, thank you.
Wonderful.
Like she did for quarters.
For quarters? Quarters though? She couldn't dance for no dollars and fives.
She's not dollar worthy.
Ain't gonna lie, when I was younger, I thought it was a strip club.
This?
I always on Chickie.
These don't need to win. These don't do that. One day we came in here on a playoff game night.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, all these chicks.
I was gonna get a seat.
Huh?
This is why I hate eating nachos and stuff like this, because I don't know how to eat.
Okay.
Well, I like this because they got it all one thing. That's what I was gonna do right there. I was like, other than that.
I'm trying to think. Right? You anything today? No, I'm gonna go back 3.
You got none away. Why not? Why not? You're on the way to bottom. That's a real cake. Good thing, you know.
He's not from
I'm from.
Hello, you from?
I'm from 63rd Street.
He's from Yale.
Stop my.
He's from Yale. Listen,
I'm 63rd and College
in
Street.
that video that I joined way too long.
No, I'm waiting here 10 minutes.
So should I edit myself?
No, but that's why I get paid. I'm waiting here 10 minutes. So, huh?
I'm gonna get paid.
Huh?
I'm gonna get paid.
That's a savage shirt.
Shut up. I'm naked, nigga.
I should have looked at this.
That's canon.
Oh, excuse my profanity.
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 Profanity. I don't understand how you don't eat celery though.
For horses, you're a horse.
Stop calling me a horse.
Look at your mid.
It's a sexy ass mid. This is a sexy ass mid. Will anybody trip with this mid?
How many views did you get?
Last video got like 3 son. I'm building back up, trust me. But trust me, cause like that Joe I did in school, got 1,000 son in like 2 weeks, right? But the last video I stopped for a whole 2 months. So then I'm doing it again. And each video get built more and more and more and more. It's a mukbang though. And I'm gonna put me and you in the joint like eating and stuff, so like
You too real? You should listen to talk about LA, you might not slide.
yeah, if you go out, I'm going to. When are you going though?
August.
What time? I leave for school August 16th.
I'm trying to go around like. My mom's birthday the 2nd, so I'm trying to go around like either the 4th to like the 6th or the 7th.
I swear to God, you know, I'm going. You gotta let me know. You gotta let me know like right now. Or like within the next week. What? You know I always want to go to LA.
But the thing about that, if you go out there now, if you go, I got Whistler at the hotel. Cause I was staying at my man crib.
I'll put up. I'll put up. I was gonna go with my game line though. Go to LA. I never been to New York either. Never done New York.
I used to always want to go out there when I was younger. When I finally went out there, bro, I was amazed. I was wild. Until you slide down in the ducky box and all the niggas staring at you.
Look at the camera. Please look on there. Yo, stand there for like 5 seconds. God, stop this.
You happy?
There you go. That's right. You can stop there.
End it.
Nah, I want to hear it. Stop! Hey YouTube, if you like that video, that mukbang that me and my man Derek just did, leave a like and subscribe down below. Leave a comment. I want to try to learn something new. It's kind of an on-the-spot thing, kind of like in-the-moment thing, so that's why we did it right there then at Chicken and Pete's. But if you like that, leave a comment down below. We literally talk about anything, but I want to give y'all some new content. The last video, I've been blowing it up, got over 600 views in the last 5 days, about to hit 1,000. I appreciate that. Much love. Yeah, if you like the videos, like, subscribe down below. You know, if I like doing that, like extra like subscribe down below. That's a lot. But yeah, y'all get the point. Yeah, if you want more videos like that, let me know. I got some more stuff coming to y'all. I got a new story time video I got to post, but I'm trying to wait to save that. I might do a double upload this week. If y'all get this video to like 500 views within like the next 5 days or the next 3 days, I definitely got y'all. But keep it up. All right, y'all. That be a bitch. Hope. Don't like that. I like that. What it do, baby?
Bitch, I got poppin' in less than a year. I shop at Gucci, you shopping at Sears. I'm making more money than my peers. These niggas hating on me and I know it. They pillow talking, they never gon' show it. I make 100 bands, then I blow it. Fucking on mommies just cuter than Lois. I dropped out of college, moved to LA. Picked up 40 racks and got me a place. Stacked 100 racks and bought a I-8. Next person says a house in a Wraith. Boss nigga and I ain't even legal. Still ballin' like I play for the Eagles. Strip club through 1,000 in singles. Don't compare us, nigga, we're not equal. Your girl, she tell me she love me, Send dirty text, wanna fuck me,